URW on Tube. I'm Mr. Hamura, who is a salesperson from Matsu Universal Joint Corporation. This is the 7th URW on Tube. Today, we are going to introduce our rebuilt EGR valve to you. An EGR valve plays a role in recirculating some quantity of exhaust gas back to the internal combustion engine. The purpose of an EGR valve is to improve fuel efficiency in a gasoline engine and to improve environmental performance in a diesel engine. Now let's watch URW car stories. URW car stories. Repair your car with URW-made rebuilt parts. This car is making noise during idling. I better take it to the Chiba base to check. Today, we are going to repair this hybrid car. The model was launched in 2009 and it balances fuel efficiency and environmental performance at a high level with an EGR valve. Mr. Hamura says the engine of the car makes noises. Let's try to find the cause of the malfunction with a diagnostic machine. The machine says EGR flow insufficient, so we can presume that the cause is in the EGR valve. Let's take off the EGR valve. Remove the air cleaner box to create a workspace. When you take off an EGR valve, you need to loosen the pipe connected to the intake manifold. Detach the connector. Remove the bolts and nuts which fix the EGR valve to the car. Since the nuts are hard to remove, we recommend that you use a spanner wrench. You can take off the EGR valve like this. It seems the cause of the problem is due to carbon built up in the EGR valve. The dirt is stuck inside the valve and prevents it from moving smoothly. This can cause not only engine malfunction and engine vibration during idling, but also sluggish acceleration, knocking, and engine stall. A new EGR valve is urgently needed. I asked Mr. Hamura to order a URW-made EGR valve. Let's start working on it. Before that, let's go over the features of URW-made EGR valves. URW completely disassembles an old part, performs a complete cleaning to remove carbon deposits from inside of the valve, and replaces old bearings, springs, and gaskets with new ones. These processes help an old part acquire almost the same condition as a brand new product. In order to meet the strict quality standards of Matsui, who is an oil supplier of proper shafts, URW checks performance of the products using an in-house developed testing machine. Let's start installation of this EGR valve. Please make sure that you use new gaskets to avoid leaking of exhaust gas. Same for the gaskets for the pipe. Attach the bolts temporarily to the pipe. Regarding the nuts which are hard to install, use a spanner wrench after temporary tightening. Completely tighten all the bolts and nuts. Finally, attach the bolts which hold the EGR valve in place. Attach the connector. Install the air cleaner box. The work is completed. Let's check the car with a diagnostic machine. No diagnostic trouble codes have been detected, and the check engine light is off now. The car has been completely repaired with a URW-made rebuilt bulb. I made a wise choice. I'll be able to drive safely. Now the car's condition is perfect. Thank you. You're welcome. The 7th URW car stories is over now. How was it? If you encounter problems with an EGR valve, please try to use a URW-made rebuilt EGR valve. We hope you enjoyed and see the advantages of our products through this video. We appreciate your continued support. See you! URW on Tube. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.